નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Now our next question is the question number 4. Determine if the following ratio from a proportion. Also write the middle term and extreme terms. So first of all we have to find the ratio. If the ratio are same, it means these are in proportion. Ratio is different, it means these are in not in proportion. So let's check. So first of all 25 centimeter is to 1 meter. So one value is given in centimeter, second value is given in meter. So we have to convert it. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? Unit is same. So this one is 25 and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we write the 25 by 100. So 25 by 100, this means 25 4s are 100. So is equal to 1 by 4, our answer. And this side 40 by 160, the 0 0 cut, 4 4s are 16. So here also answer for the 1 by 4. So here 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This means ratio are same. So write down. Ratio are same. Therefore these are in proportion. रेशियो आर सेम, therefore these are in proportion. यानी कि ये दोनों जो टर्म है वो proportion में है. Now we have to write the middle term and extreme term. So the middle term and extreme term. So middle term, तो middle term यानी कि middle यानी कि बीच में. तो बीच में आपको क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? ये दोनों. So our middle term 1 meter and 40 rupees. And extreme sum तो जो बचे first and last यानी कि 25 centimeter and rupees 160. So this one is our middle term and extreme term. Understand the first question? If you are not understand, then see the second questions. Same one. 39 liter is to 65 liters. So first of all we have to find the ratio, यानी कि 39 by 65. Here to cut 13 3s are 39. Here is the 13 5s are 65. 13 cut. So our answer is 3 by 5. यानी कि first question's ratio is equal to 3 by 5. Now the check less. The 6 by 10. 6 bottles is to 10 bottles. So the 6 by 10. The 3 2s are, and here to cut is means 5 2s are. 2 cut. Answer is 3 by 5. Now in this ratio is equal to 3 by 5. Here also for the ratio is 3 by 5. It means ratio are same. Therefore these are in proportion. रेशियो सेम है यानी कि ये दोनों प्रोपोर्शन में है. अब मिडल टर्म और एक्सट्रीम टर्म हमें लिखने हैं. So the middle term 65 liter and 6 bottle, 65 liters and 6 bottles, and extreme term 39 liters and 10 bottles. Here is this two is the middle, and first and last this one is the extreme term. So now understand, clear? First two समझ में आ गया ना? Now the next one is the third question. 2 kilogram is to 18 kilogram. So first of all we have to find the ratio. So the 2 by 80, 2 14s are 80. So our answer is 1 by 4. Right? And second we have to find 25 is to, it means divided by 625. 25 is 625. 25 is 625. So here answer is 125. So dear students, see here ratio is different. Write down, ratio are not same. Therefore these are not in proportion. रेशियो सेम नहीं है इसका मतलब ये दोनों प्रोपोर्शन में भी नहीं है. रेशियो सेम हो तभी वो दोनों प्रोपोर्शन में है। यहाँ पे रेशियो सेम नहीं है, सो वो दोनों प्रोपोर्शन में भी नहीं है। मिडल टर्म और एक्सट्रीम टर्म आपको लिखना हो तो आप लिख सकते हो, मिडल टर्म एंड द एक्सट्रीम टर्म। सो द मिडल टर्म 18 kilogram and 25 gram. Extreme term, the first term and the last term, 2 kilogram and 625 gram. Okay. Now the last question is 200 milliliter is to 25 milliliter. So first of all we have to write 200 by 25. So the directly we have to cut 25 8 is 200 to 25 cut, so our answer is 8 by 1. The next one 4 by 50. 4 by 50, here is we have to write, see 2 2s and 25 2s, 2 cut, so our answer is 2 by 25. Okay, same we have to cut. If you are not understand this one, so you have to again some methods alag. You have to cut here 200 by 25, right? See, if here this 2 is cut, so 100 multiply by 2. Here we have to cut to 25 1s, 25 4s, 4 multiply by 2, which means our answer is 8. And here 4 by 50, so our answer is 2 by 25. Here is 8 by 1 and here is 2 by 25. It means these two are not same, ratio are not same. Write down, ratio are not same, therefore these are not in proportion. So this here is this 2 is the middle term and this one is the extreme term. Okay, so understand dear student, question number 4, how to find the ratio, proportion or not, middle term, extreme term. Clear?
Thank you for joining us.